my channel Knowledge Nest. Have you ever wondered how videos made by me reach so easily to you, or how during this global pandemic we are able to attend our classes without even going to schools or universities? The answer is via internet. So let's learn few facts about internet today. Internet is a large-scale network of millions of computers that allows continuous communication across the globe. In other words, internet is a technology which connects millions of computers across the world and can pass information between each other in a fraction of a second. All of us use internet to share and search information. During the COVID-19, we are entirely dependent on online classes, which is only possible because of internet. History of internet. The Department of Defense of the US set up a network of computers called the ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The network connected one computer in California with 3 in Utah. Later, the department allowed universities to join the network for sharing hardware and software resources. Gradually, it grew bigger and bigger, finally resulting in present-day popular internet. Basic requirements of internet. To connect to the internet, the following things are required: a multimedia computer system, an account with internet service provider, internet connection, a modem. A modem is a computer peripheral that allows the computer to connect and communicate with other computers via telephone lines. A telephone line. A telephone line is used to connect the computers all over the world. Basic terms of internet. World Wide Web. Sir Tim Berners-Lee, a British computer scientist, invented the World Wide Web in the year 1989. The way of accessing information spread over thousands of computers connected to the internet is known as the World Wide Web. It can display any kind of written, graphical or audio-visual information from anywhere in the world. Web. Another term which is related to the internet is web browser. Web browser is a software application used for accessing information on the World Wide Web. Some of the web browsers are as follows: Google Chrome, Internet Explorer 9, Microsoft Edge, Opera, Falcon, etc. Web page. It is a hypertext document connected with the www. Web pages are stored in web server and can be viewed using a web browser. It contains information in text, graphics, audio and video. Website. A website is a collection of web pages. They are organized in a website like pages of a book. Each website is owned and updated by a company or organization or an individual. There are different types of websites: magazine websites, e-commercial websites, blogs, portfolio websites, landing pages, social media websites. Commonly used websites are youtube.com, facebook.com, yahoo.com, etc. HTML. Hypertext Markup Language, that is HTML, is the computer language used to create web pages. Homepage. The homepage is the very first page on the website. It provides basic information about the website and also contains links to other pages related to the website. Web address. Every website has a unique web address, which is also called URL or Uniform Resource Locator. Some examples of web address are www.yahoo.com, www.hotmail.com. Web server. The main objectives of web server is to store, process and deliver web pages to the users. The types of web servers are Apache, that is HTTPS, Internet Information Services, Sun Java System, etc. Download. To save a document, file or data for future reference from internet to our computer is known as downloading. Upload. It means to move a document, program or other data from our computer to the internet. Online. It means to connect the computer to another computer or the internet. Offline. It means not connected to the internet or the computer. Computer network. Network is a group of computers that are linked together in order to share resources, exchange files, or allow electronic communications. The types of networks are LAN, WAN and MAN. LAN, Local Area Network, is a computer network that interconnects computers within a limited area, such as schools, campus, office buildings or a residence. WAN, Wide Area Network, covers a large geographic area and it is not tied to a single location. MAN, Metropolitan Area Network, is a hybrid between LAN and WAN. It is a network designed for a town or city. So friends, I hope you have understood the basic concept of internet. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy.